Hey guys, welcome to Freedom Life Secrets channel. In this video, I want to talk about how you can make more money with the concept called as value ladder in your online business. I'll cover this concept. I read it from a book called as .com Secrets by Russell Brunson, and also you're gonna notice like everywhere any successful business that follows this value ladder everywhere. So please make sure you stay till the end. And if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin with freedomlifesecrets.com, and I'll be making videos on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, how to create sales funnel, etc. If you are interested, please hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So value ladder in a simple terms, if I want to explain you, like if you just look at this image where the x-axis is like the price and the value. So initially when somebody like, let's say you have a skill set, like you create funnels or create websites for anybody, and you make a very good design and which you charge a lot of money. And like, let's say if you just go to a random person and tell him, hey, give me $10,000 and I'm gonna make you this website and which can generate this much revenue, and he's not gonna like it, and he may never buy it because he don't know you first. So that trust will not be there in order to give him for $10,000. So with this value ladder, what it means is initially like you need to give something for free which is very valuable. Free doesn't mean that anything that you can give. Free thing can be like, it can be a ebook, or it can be a free training, or it can be anything like that actually provides value to your target audience. For example, you give any book for free, and once you give that book, and the person is gonna the person is going to be like, he will read that book or he will go through the training and he will become aware about you. And once he feels like, oh, this person is giving me something, Sachin is giving me something for free, for valuable, I want more. So you're gonna offer him something like, okay, you have got this training now. If you want to, if you need any help in the building your business, I'm gonna create a sales funnel for you. You can just let me know. And now he knows that I have provided the value for free, so anything that I'll pay him, like it will be more valuable, so he's gonna pay me. Once I build that funnel, then I'm gonna offer, okay, your funnel is set up right now, so if you need any help in running the traffic, if you want me to run your Facebook ads, or if you want to run traffic to you, oh well, then he will be like, oh wow, then that would be good. Then as you can see in this diagram as well, I gave something for free initially, and then I'm providing more value like as the graph goes along, and the price also increases. And at the top, this is where the most money will be. And that's how you should do your business, any business. Like for example, this happens in real life, offline. Let's say you go to any store, like to buy t-shirts or anywhere, and the salesperson comes to you and greets you, and like he will ask you like, what are you looking for. He will tell you're looking for a t-shirt, and he will tell like, we have an offer running, like if you buy 4 t-shirts, you're gonna add, you're gonna get 50% discount, or any such sort. I'm just making it up, in such discounts. And once he goes to the counter, he will say, okay, this hat will go best with these t-shirts, and you can buy these pants as well. And as you can see, the person actually had come to buy only t-shirts, then now he bought the pant and the hat, and the value increased and the price also increased. That's how people are making money. Once it comes to sales funnel concept, initially you need to create a landing page, and you need to give something for free. And once you give that something for free, instead you collect the email address, and once you collect that email address, you're gonna keep on following it up with them. Like you give more value, keep on giving them value, and you're gonna offer your services. You can go with any high-end products. One of the examples that I'm going to talk here, this concept is very beautifully explained in .com Secrets by Russell Brunson. You can go ahead and check the link in the description. It's an absolutely free book. You just need to take care of the shipment and the handling charges. This is one of the value ladder explained in .com Secrets book, where free quiz, and once they give you the quiz, like they will sell you the book, free book plus shipping. That .com Secrets book will be shipped, and that book has so much value that once you go through that book, like you're gonna you want to learn more about funnels, and they offer you a ClickFunnels software. And once you start using the ClickFunnels software, they make you go through different trainings, that is webinar training. And in the webinar they will sell you like a high-end coaching program, and there are other events as you go up with ClickFunnels community. And in the end, like they will sell you a $25,000 product, that is Inner Circle. In this process, it's not like a scam or something like you're doing. It's just a normal thing. Like if you go to a store, you purchase anything, like you get a value in return. Similar thing, you initially give something, you use something as a bait, and once you know that customer, you start building the value with the customer by providing free value. And once the chemistry is right, like you keep on increasing the value ladder, and there is no end to the value ladder. You can increase your price as much as you want. And in the online business, there is so much competition. What people will do is, people create their course, and they start, what they will do is they start reducing the price of the course, thinking that I will get more sales. That's not true. Instead decreasing the value of that course, decreasing the price of that course, increase the value of that course, so that once you create, once you give so much value for people, people will beg you to buy from you. It's not like they will go for they want the best product, not the cheapest product in the market. So that's how the value ladder works. I just read about this concept in .com secrets. I just wanted to share with you guys. I hope you got value from this video. If you have any questions, please do let me know in the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.